Antibiotic resistance is surging among bottlenose dolphins. Antibiotic-resistant bacteria have existed since well before the advent of antibiotics in modern human healthcare. However, our widespread use of antibiotics to treat human disease since the 1940s has undoubtedly exacerbated rates of resistance. Like an arms race against bacteria, scientists are constantly seeking out new ways to combat pathogenic bacteria as the bacteria simultaneously evolve to evade new tactics. Now, resistant strains of bacteria are prevalent, and cause an estimated 23,000 deaths per year according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Waterways with lots of human activity may serve as incubators of bacterial resistance. Antibiotics and antibiotic-resistant bacteria enter the water from untreated wastewater, septic systems, and rainwater runoff. What's more, poor water quality associated with high levels of nitrates and phosphates exacerbate genetic selection for resistance by essentially giving the bacteria an advantage in evading antibiotics. Given the potential for antibiotic resistance to proliferate in coastal waters, scientists have been monitoring nearshore environments and their resident mammals for signs of antibiotic resistance. In Washington's Puget Sound, antibiotic-resistant bacteria have been detected among harbor seals and porpoises. Antibiotic-resistant genes, indicative of populations of resistant bacteria, have also been detected in London's River Thames and remote regions of the Arctic. Now, a new study not only confirms antibiotic resistance among bottlenose dolphins, but also shows a noticeable increase in resistance among these dolphins in just over a decade. Significant increase in antibiotic resistance over the 13-year sampling period. This new study builds upon previous work documenting resistance among bottlenose dolphins. In 2009, we reported a high prevalence of antibiotic resistance in wild dolphins, which was unexpected, explains Adam Schaefer, epidemiologist at Florida Atlantic University and lead author of both studies. Since then, we have been tracking changes over time and have found a significant increase in antibiotic resistance in isolates from these animals. This trend mirrors reports from human healthcare settings. These findings are important for more than just the health of bottlenose dolphins. Dolphins are considered to be sentinel species, essentially a canary in a coal mine for aquatic ecosystems. If antibiotic resistance is on the rise among dolphins, that means humans are at risk as well. Based on our findings, it is likely that these isolates from dolphins originated from a source where antibiotics are regularly used, potentially entering the marine environment through human activities or discharges from terrestrial sources, said Schaefer. The demonstrated proliferation of antibiotic-resistant bacteria in coastal waters exacerbates the threat antibiotic resistance has on the future of human health, and emphasizes the need to keep coastal waters clean. Please subscribe my channel. Antibiotic resistance is surging among bottlenose dolphins.